Hello, Eddie. It's Eddie A time.
Cake.
We've got 3 questions from other people. First one is from Hlinos, and she says, "Why does it rain in summer?"
Good question. Well, God thinks that the flowers, because the flowers need water in summer,
Yeah?
so they can grow.
So we all have to get rained on just so the flowers can grow.
Yeah.
Oh, anything else?
Is there another question?
There are. Was that all you want to answer on that question?
Yeah.
Okay. Next question's from Auntie Fee.
I know her.
You do. She says, "Is it worse to bite someone or to lie and pretend you didn't bite someone? Which is naughtier? To bite someone
To bite someone.
or to bite them and then pretend that you didn't bite them?"
It's the first one, she said.
Okay. And then the last question I've got is from Stephanie, who says, "What if no one in the whole world knows the answer to a question?"
Nearly everyone will know the answer to a question.
Do you know the answer to every question?
Not particularly.
Well,
I don't know how the gangers were killed.
Well, what if nobody knew the answer to that?
And I do know how the time zombies were killed. They were sent back in time. And some of them were burnt in lava.
Right. Are those the biggest questions that you've got then, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I've just remembered. I think there's one more question that got asked a couple of days ago. Just have to find it.
That I should have done a time.
Yes. No, it wasn't that one. I think it was from Eddie. Sit back. I think the question was from Kim, and I think it was something along the lines of, if Daddy had a plane and he could fly you anywhere you wanted, where would you go in it?
I would like to go to Spain for 10 days because Harry Jenkins is spending it there for 10 days. He's taking it by plane. And I want to sit in the front with him too.
Do you?
Yeah, if he was a real plane driver.
Okay. Well, come and say goodnight then, because that's all the questions.
Nino, 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 Nino.
Night night.
Nino, bye.